Ever booted up Valorant, ready to drop into a clutch game with your squad, only to be met by the dreaded Vanguard error message? Oh, it's the worst feeling, isn't it? One moment you're dreaming of headshots, the next you're staring at Vanguard initialization failed and obeyed. Reds, it's incredibly frustrating when your anti-cheat system, designed to protect your game, actually stops you from playing it altogether. This error can pop up out of nowhere, leaving you scrambling for solutions and missing out on valuable playtime with your friends or crucial ranked matches. Don't worry, you're absolutely not alone in facing this particular Valorant headache. In this video, we're going to dive deep into exactly what causes Vanguard and, more importantly, walk you through several proven steps to get Vanguard back on track and launch you right back into the action. Get ready to banish that error and reclaim your Valorant experience. Kicking things off with the tried-and-true method, sometimes Vanguard just needs a good old restart to sort itself out. First, try exiting Valorant completely, then head to your system tray, right-click on the Vanguard icon and select Exit Vanguard. Give it a moment, then restart your entire. This often clears up any temporary glitches or conflicts that might be preventing it from initializing properly. If a simple restart didn't cut it, it might be time to give Vanguard a complete refresh. Head over to your Add or Remove Programs settings in Windows and uninstall Riot Vanguard. Don't worry, Valorant itself won't be deleted. Once it's gone, just launch Valorant again, and the game will automatically prompt you to reinstall Vanguard, giving you a fresh, clean installation that often resolves those stubborn initialization failures. Sometimes isn't Vanguard's fault directly, but rather another program on your system interfering. Check if you have any other anti-cheat software running, or even programs like overclocking tools or certain security software. These can sometimes clash with Vanguard's deep system integration, temporarily disabling or even uninstalling these programs. Then trying to launch Valorant can reveal the culprit and let Vanguard initialize smoothly. Finally, let's make sure your system itself isn't throwing a wrench into Vanguard's gears. Ensure your Windows operating system is fully up to date, as crucial security patches can impact Vanguard's functionality. Also, double-check that your graphics drivers and other essential system drivers are current. Outdated ones can cause unexpected issues. Sometimes even a quick look at your BIOS settings, especially secure boot, or can resolve deeper compatibility problems, although that's a bit more advanced.